Window replacement is one of the most valuable home improvements a Milton homeowner can make. With New England's unpredictable climate, icy winters, warm summers, windy fall storms, and heavy spring rains, your windows work hard year-round. When older, drafty, or inefficient windows begin to fail, they don't just affect comfort, they impact your home's energy bills, structural protection, and long-term value. That's why investing in high-quality replacement windows offers outstanding long-term returns that go far beyond the initial cost. If you're considering upgrading the windows in your Milton home, here's how replacement windows deliver meaningful ROI, return on investment, that benefits you for decades. Major energy savings that add up every year. Milton homeowners know the importance of good insulation. Old or poorly sealed windows allow warm air to escape in winter and cool air to leak out during summer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Modern replacement windows feature multi-pane insulated glass low-E coatings that reflect heat. Argon or krypton gas fills for enhanced insulation, tighter weather stripping, and improved seals. These features significantly reduce energy loss. Most homeowners see immediate reductions in heating and cooling costs, savings that continue accumulating year after year. In a climate like Massachusetts, where heating can make up a large portion of utility bills, the long-term savings are substantial. Increased home value and strong resale appeal. Window replacement consistently ranks among the top home improvements for ROI. In Milton's competitive real estate market, where buyers expect well-kept, energy-efficient homes, new windows can dramatically increase your home's attractiveness. Benefits for resale value include a refreshed, updated exterior, improved curb appeal, better home inspection results, higher buyer confidence in energy efficiency, a faster selling process. Buyers appreciate the long-term value of new windows, and many are willing to pay more for a home where major upgrades have already been completed. Reduced maintenance and long-term durability. Older windows often require frequent painting, sanding, caulking, or repair. Modern replacement windows are engineered to require minimal care while offering superior performance. Upgraded materials include vinyl frames that resist peeling and warping, fiberglass frames that stay structurally stable in temperature changes, composite materials built for strength and moisture resistance, durable finishes that withstand New England weather. This means fewer repairs, fewer headaches, and lower long-term maintenance costs, another important part of ROI. Better protection against Milton's seasonal weather. Massachusetts weather can be tough on older windows. Drafts, condensation, leaks, and even water damage can appear as frames wear out and seals weaken. New replacement windows offer long-term protection through advanced flashing and sealing systems, enhanced resistance to moisture infiltration, stronger frames that prevent warping or rotting, improved structural stability by preventing costly issues like interior water damage, mold, or wood rot. Replacement windows protect your home and save you money over time. Improved comfort and indoor air quality. Comfort plays a major role in your home's long-term livability. With new windows, homeowners experience fewer drafts, more consistent indoor temperatures, reduced condensation, better ventilation when desired. Cleaner seals and improved airflow can also help reduce allergens and moisture-related issues, making your home healthier overall. Long-term noise reduction. Modern windows significantly reduce outside noise, a valuable benefit in busy Milton neighborhoods or homes near main roads, schools, or commercial areas. You'll enjoy a quieter indoor environment, better sleep quality, more peaceful living spaces. Noise reduction contributes to long-term comfort and enhances the value of your home environment. Final thoughts. Window replacement is an investment that pays off immediately and continues delivering value for decades. From energy savings and reduced maintenance to improved comfort, home protection, and higher resale value, Milton homeowners see strong long-term ROI when they choose quality replacement windows installed by experienced professionals.